May iba kasi humihiga dyan eh. Nasandal dyan, nadapa. Oo, nadapa. Oo, picture. Dito ka. Dito, lumati.
Guys, wala nang official lobat eh.
Ako na lang magpipicture at ikaw mag-video.
Biological energy increases beyond expectations.
Si Mickey, oh yun. Mickey!
Human has developed the weapons for Mars. Mars oil can travel long distances with the ocean currents. It is known that this force may have high damage. Climate changes in biological force field, changes in water temperature, changes in ocean current environment.
Ciao Mickey!
The cruiser has been confirmed damaged and the images being analyzed. All the carrier-based drones have been destroyed. The coordinates have been established.
Pasyalan dito sa Manila.
Unidentified energy and psionic energy discovered. Location locked and flight mode has been activated. Each system appears in varying degrees due to being affected by particle energy. Activate gravity, magnetic pole, and plate stress detection. Magnetic pole abnormality detected. Activate situational awareness, flight attitude correction. Warning, the magnetic field is erratic. Please be wary of fluctuating high-energy particle beams. Second entities have appeared. Please be wary of high-energy particle beams in magnetic fields. Philippine Sentinel second warning that beauty and danger.
Parang nasa ibang planeta.
The magnetic field is extremely unstable and magnetic
Ew!
Warning affected by the radiation first. The torrential engine is damaged and cannot return to the coordinates over the jump later on unknown. Field captures the gravitational wave signal. The signal contains civilization information. Translation has been completed. We can detect the world in history in Chinese. The signal contains civilization information. Civilization records where the level of establishing communication.
Bye ma, titira bye tira. Bawa mo, sama ko doon. Bawa mo lang.
Tangan mga guys. Hello mga guys. Guys, on the rock. Di sama sa kuya. Oh, sige. Ayan, mag-mami. Oh, family. Yan, oy. Ayan, kapit. Yan. Yan, magandang view. Okay. Yan. Wow. Ang ganda siya dyan. Ay. Oy, namatay. Ang ganda ng spot nung kanina, yung stripe na yun. Yan, space tayo. Yun.
Guys, Dito kami sa Manila. Sa pasyalan sa Manila.
Yan, wow, yan, ang ganda. Kita mo ano. Yun! Wow, ang ganda na yung spot, oh. Taas, yan. Wow. Nasa between kayo na walang ningning. Yeah, okay. Wow, yan ang ganda. Wow! Woo! Absolutely. Okay. Hindi ko na-off to.
Okay. Ito po ang aking pamangking pogi. Ang ganda dito sa pasyalan. Ano nga tawag dito sa pasyalan na ito? Space Time?
Space Time and Cube.
Space Time and Cube. Vicky, bye! Mickey, no?
Baka sinalim ng dagat.
Save Mama! Upside down staircase. Bilis. Tilted room.
Ayun, tayo picture. Dalawa, yan. Yan.
Si Mickey, oh. Ganun dyan. Mickey!
Ikaw, bawal na susunod, bawal.
Ulitin mo.
Ayun, ayun, ayun! Oo.
Si Mickey, enjoy na enjoy. Okay, bye-bye na.